Within Cebu City's busy and progressive business district, Cebu IT Park, rises the newest shopping mall, the Ayala Malls Central Block. Developed by Cebu Holdings Incorporated, the Ayala Malls Central Block is the home of the city's young workforce and houses more than 300 shops. Finally, after its groundbreaking in 2015, the mall was officially opened to the public on December 6, 2019. It is the first of its kind to specifically cater to the BPO workers at the IT Park. The opening was preceded by a Holy Mass at the mall's chapel, located at the 4th floor.
On behalf of the Archdiocese of Cebu, on behalf of all, what can I offer to the Lord? What can we offer to the Lord for all the goodness that this company has given Cebu? So to the Ayala 210, more power and more prosperity and more progress to come.
Ayala Mall and Cebu Holdings executives then led the guests to the 3rd floor for a program that would signal the mall's opening.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Praised by Cebu City Mayor Edgar Lavella and Cebu City Vice Mayor Michael Rama and members of the media.
Friends and guests, good afternoon to all of you. So today, it is with honor and great pride that we mark another milestone in our history in the opening of Ayala Malls Central Block. I believe that this development will be a very valuable addition to the community here at Cebu IT Park. It has now become the center of local and international technology companies, BPOs, contact centers in the Visayas region. We now have 31 buildings in this development, 25 office buildings and 6 residential buildings with 62,000 professionals working in this development.
Here at the 2nd floor of Ayala Malls Central Block here in IT Park, Lahug, Cebu City. This is the 2nd Ayala Malls in Cebu City and the 5th. Now it has 45,000 square meters gross leasable area and 2.2 hectares all in all.
The mall is integrated within a building with Seda Hotel and spaces ready for the BPO offices. It features food choices, trading block, wellness and service avenue, a chapel, 4 cinemas, an indoor and outdoor activity center and the outdoor garden, and a trading block which houses stand-up and homegrown retailers and other fresh and new shopping experience features. The mall hours had been adjusted from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. to accommodate the times where BPO workers are available to shop and dine.
This is the area where we have a lot of call centers. So it means that Ayala Malls Central Block has a captive audience, captive market, and these are the BPO industry employees or call center agents working 24 hours a day. With Kirby Campo and Joel Noel, Bang Luzon, MyTV Cebu.